as the question says, a beam of monochromatic light of wavelength lambda ejects photoelectrons from a cesium surface of phi equal to 1.9 electron volts. These photoelectrons are made to collide with hydrogen atoms in ground state. Find the maximum value of lambda for which hydrogen atoms may be ionized. Hydrogen atoms may get excited from ground state to the first excited state, and the excited hydrogen atoms may emit the visible light. So in the first part, they are getting ionized. So they are moving from 1 to infinity, right? So the energy required for the transition is 13.6 electron volts. So here, the energy of the photon, that is hc by lambda, must be equal to the work function of the metal, that is 1.9, plus whatever is required to ionize, 13.6. The kinetic energy further is taken to be 0 because we need to find the minimum energy, because we need to find out the maximum lambda. So this is the minimum energy. So corresponding to this, we will be having the maximum lambda, that comes out to be 80.1 nanometer, or we can say it is approximately 80 nanometers. Similarly, proceeding to the second part of this question. Now, in this part, hydrogen atom need to be excited from ground state to the first excited state. That is, the transition is from 1 to 2. So the energy gap here is 13.6 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, giving us an energy gap of 13.6 into 3 by 4. Now here the energy of the photon, that is hc by lambda, needs to be minimum, which will be the work function, plus the energy for the transition, 13.6 into 3 by 4, plus the kinetic energy needs to be the 0, rather the kinetic energy must be the one with the which is in the orbit, so nothing more to add here. So this is the minimum energy, corresponding to which we will be having the maximum lambda. So that comes out to be 102.64 nanometers, that is approximately 102 nanometers. Now proceeding to the third part of this question, in which we need to find out the excited hydrogen atoms may emit the visible light. Now if you look at 1 to infinity, we are having the energy gap of 13.6. Even 1 to 2 is having an energy gap of 10.2, while the visible range is only from 1.55 to 3.1 electron volts. The energy of second excited state is greater than 3.1. So the transitions from here to infinity is not going to satisfy. Rather, we are having a transition 2 to 3, which is lying in the visible range. The energy gap being 3.14 minus 1.51, giving us approximately 1.89 electron volts. So this is lying in the visible range. So we can find out the energy corresponding to this, which means that hc by lambda equals to 1.9 plus the energy in the transition, which is 1.89, and we can find out the lambda corresponding to that, which comes out to be 89 nanometers.